Congo MONUSCO mwibwira ko bazishyiriye kugira ngo bigende gute? Kuki barinze gushyirayo ingabo za Loni muri Congo? Ariko kugeza n'ubu iyo uvuga Loni rero ntabwo umuntu yumva neza icyo uvuga, cyangwa iyo uvuga international community, whether UN or international community, they more or less add up to nothing. Because the UN is everybody, but at the same time it is nobody. The international community is all of us, but actually it is none of us when it comes to some of these problems. So you don't know who to hold responsible. Who is supposed to be held responsible? In the end, the convenient path is to find a culprit, to find somebody who is responsible, and that becomes Rwanda. When you talk about Rwanda, you know what you're talking about. It is this small country of ours, you, me, and others.